Okay, today I'm out at a place that's called Hammond Hill. It's a disc golf dog walking area. Pretty good sized place. There's a lake way back in somewhere. I've never walked back in here. So I'm just gonna hit the trails up and see if I can find anything. Looks like it might rain here, possibly. It's kind of windy today. But here's my first find. This one's kind of weird. Okay, I just pulled a Canadian bicentennial penny. 1 cent. That's the second one I found here in the last couple weeks. Okay, I am going to keep going, see what I can find. I'll be back. Okay, there's my next signal. Found me a 1982 crusty quarter. Okay, see what else I can find. Okay, next hole got me a penny. 2016. Okay, keep searching. Okay, next hole just found me another penny. 1979. Keep going. Okay, my next hole, it looks like I found me a motorcycle light or something. Light off a trailer. Kinda cool. Right, no clue. Keep searching. Okay, next signal. It's something by this big old tree. Uh-oh, I hear something. Oh, I see it. What is it? It's like a crushed penny. What is it? It's an Indian head. Check that out. It's crushed. Got some green on it. I can read the back, barely. Wow. Okay, awesome score. Super deep too. Check that out. Down in the sand. Probably 8 inches or so. Yay! I think it's my 4th or 5th Indian head penny I've ever found. Okay, keep searching. Found me an old Coke bottle. Look at that. Still has the lid on it. That's gonna have to come back with me. Alright, I'll set it right here for now. Explore and see if I find anything right in here. There's a bunch of old rocks and who knows what was going on. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, next find got me a crusty penny. Alright, keep going. Okay, next find, I got me a zipper pull. Ring up just like a nickel. Okay, and next hole, I have an unknown. Looks like a piece of brass or copper. Has a couple holes in it. No clue. There's like a little edge on the top of it. Alright, keep going. Next find is a little surface find. It's a little, I don't know what it is. It says Steve Madden. Alright, who knows? Keep going. Hey, just found me a crusty zinkin out in the middle of nowhere, out on one of the trails. Super nice place. Got it all beautifully cleaned up. Okay, keep going. Okay, next hole. Just found me a crusty copper. 1974. Okay, keep going. Okay, next hole. Got me another penny. 1978. Right, no pennies left behind. Keep going. Alright. On the penny again. Got me a crusty zinkin. Half the bottom's ate off it. Keep going. Alright, now I just found my first dime. Looks to be 1988. Keep searching. Okay, my next hole. See what I have. There we go. We have a dime. $2017. Hey, keep going. On the dime now.